Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on database management system. So in this video we are going to see an introduction to module 4, which is titled as database design. So this is not exactly the entire database design, but you can say this is second half of the database design. Okay, right. So let's see. So the different topics that are going to be covered in this module 4 are, so first one is introduction to schema refinement. Okay, so we will see what is schema refinement, or you also call it as normalization. So why do we go for normalization and how? Okay, and then we will look at something called as functional dependency. Okay, in short they are called as FDs. Okay, so next, after looking at functional dependencies, we will look at different normal forms. So I have marked them with I have marked this with 3 stars because this topic is very important for interviews, you can say your semester examinations, or for different competitive examinations like GATE, NET, etc. And there are different normal forms like first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and so on. We will look at that. And next we will look at decompositions. Okay, and finally we will see the process of normalization, that is the implementation part of normalization. So when you are given a schema and a set of functional dependencies, how do you normalize them? Okay, and finally the last topic is other kinds of dependencies, where you will see multi-value dependencies and joint dependencies, etc. Okay, right. So these are the objectives of this module 4. So first objective is you should be able to understand what is schema refinement and what are different problems that occur due to redundancy, right? And second one is understand what is a functional dependency and how to identify different functional dependencies. Then you should understand what is a normal form and different normal forms that are there for database design, and finally what is the process of normalization. Okay, and then next one is you should be able to understand what is decomposition and what are the different problems associated with decomposition, and finally we should know about different other types of dependencies that are there. Okay, so these are the objectives. Now before going to what is database design and schema refinement, I would like to cover some of the things I have already previously told you. That is, if you look at software or application development, there are 4 steps. Okay, so they are analysis, design, coding, and last one is testing and maintenance. Okay, so in analysis phase, the team is going to come up with the software requirements or application requirements. Okay, so using those requirements, right, we will go for design phase, right? In design phase also the focus of this module 4 is also on this design phase, what happens in design phase. So these are the various things that happens in design phase. So first one, there is database design, which you are going to learn a part of it in this module. The first part is already covered in the previous videos, you can see them if you want. And next, data flow diagrams will be prepared, and also UML diagrams will be prepared, maybe some flow charts or any other kinds of diagrams. Okay, so these are all the things that belong to design phase. Okay, and we are concerned with database design, right? So what are the different tasks in this? So we will create ER model, that is ER diagrams, where you will have entities and relationships and also attributes, and using this ER model we will converting them into relational schema, where you will have, that is of course if your data model is based on relational model, you will have relational schema. So relational schema is defined as the collection of relations, that is tables, and for each table the table name and different attributes and their types in the table. That is called as relational schema, okay, or database schema, right? So then once you create the relational schema, you will go for schema refinement. So this is the thing which we are concerned with in module 4. Okay, so these things are already discussed in the previous videos. You can watch them if you want. And last one is physical implementation of the schema. Okay, so you are going to write SQL queries and you are going to create different tables, okay, primary keys, foreign keys, etc., etc. That is called physical implementation, right? So I hope you understood what is the goal of this module, the schema refinement. So in the next video, we are going to start with the first topic, which is introduction to schema refinement. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for latest notifications. And also, if you have any doubts regarding this, you can always comment below the video. Thank you.